Do an unboxing of the Atom. Oh, made a mistake. We're gonna do an unboxing. We're we're gonna do an unboxing of the Atom X streaming and switching dock. So the way this works is, if for those of you guys that are Atomos users, you can get this. I have the Atomos 5, which I'm using to record, right? And you can connect multiple cameras to this switcher using the Atomos as a switcher and scene selection, and this will make your workflow very versatile. So my purpose is right now I'm only recording ProRes RAW with one camera, but what I want to do for these unboxing videos is to have a camera from up here, and what I would like to do is use this switcher to switch between takes and have different cameras set up, and that way I can do it, and I hope to record at ProRes RAW resolution as well. So let's open it up. This is brand new. Let's open it up to see what's in here. I'm super excited about this. I'm excited to see what it's in this box. Oh, this is not easy to open. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Whoa. Oh, okay. Not really. Ah. So, it's an unboxing. This box has a magnetic sort of aspect to it, you see. It's a magnetic box, is well made. You see, this has a magnetic aspect to it. You see, you open it. Okay, so when you're opening, you be wary of that. It's hard to open. Oh, nice. So here you go. This is what comes in there. The switcher. Wow. Guys, this is made out of metal. Everything. Everything's made out of metal here. Right? So let me show you the buttons. So right there, it has the 4 different scenes for switching. F1 and F2, F3, 4. I wonder what that is for, but I'm sure that with time I will know. And then in the back, it has for the power supply here, and 1, 2, 3, 4 video entrances right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it has C over here. So this is amazing how well made this is. It's really, 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 really hard. Everything here is made out of metal. I guess this is so that you can mount it somewhere, right? It has a quarter 20 there in order to mount it somewhere else, right? And wow, this is really, 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 really sturdy. Really, really hard. Everything is made out of metal. This is for the battery because it comes with a power supply for sure. And if it doesn't, there's ways of using the power supply that comes with the Atomos to work. It comes with a C to C cable, USB-C to C cable, and it comes also with this thing that we will find out what it is for. But this is just an unboxing video to see what's inside the box. And it has the instructions. So yeah, that's all there is in the box. I can't wait to start playing with this and start using it to switch between scenes